a team identified a need for a position, whether that's a new position or filling a vacancy in a current position. There are a couple ways these teams can submit their requests through Jira Service Management. They could have an option in the help desk. They go to the human resources help center and then select requisition and then fill out a form. But another way to access and create these issues and these job requisitions is through the back end of Jira. Jira is organized in projects. So those are complete bodies of work. This project is called Open Positions. This is where someone would come to create an issue for a vacancy. The creation of issues and the visibility of issues can be limited based on permissions. Clicking create opens up a form. This form then has a bunch of fields that can be required or optional. You as a staff or an admin on this project would define those fields. The benefit for these fields and this form is that you get all the information you need up front. There's no spending, a day chatting back and forth, playing phone tag. The other cool thing about these fields is you can trigger automation. So like this recruiting area field has a couple different departments in it. So for this job, I'd hit consulting, click create. And what that's going to do when that ticket goes into open is it's going to assign someone to the ticket. It will assign an approver. So we have a workflow built for this where it comes in, HR then checks, yes, all the information's here. We don't need any clarification. HR then changes the status to awaiting approval. That would send a message to that approver, which is chosen based off of that kind of recruiting role that we defined in that field. So, maybe the approver for consulting is the CTO, and same thing with IT, but then HR has a different approver because they need to check the budget for each department. However you want to configure those approvals, you can do that. Once it's approved, that all it is a button click. It goes to a new status, then it notifies talent acquisition. This position has been approved. You can gather that information of what do you need to make that job posting.